tropical island of Puerto Rico. It is a nice and sunny day. So I decided to get out of my house and come show you guys a nice little tour of this beautiful beach and of this beautiful tropical island. And for today, I will be doing a very natural makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys are in the beach or out visiting other Caribbean tropical islands, you guys can know what looks to do and what favors you the most. This is going to be a very natural look with very great products. So I am going to be doing this makeup tutorial, then I will be getting in the water, coming out of the water, and to show you guys the results and how everything turned out. So stick around for this beach makeup tutorial. So you guys already know, when you're out in the sun, you have to protect your face, you have to protect your body from the sun. It is very, very important that most of the products that you use for your face should have an SPF protector, so that way your skin can be well protected during your trip to the beach. So first off, I am going to be using this copper tone sunscreen. It has a 70 SPF. So this will probably last at least 70 minutes on your face. So it is very good that you always protect your skin with an SPF protector before you hit the beach. So now I am going to be using the Tarte BB cream. It is a BB tinted treatment 12-hour primer, broad spectrum, and it has an SPF 30 sunscreen. So this is a very great product for you to go to the beach as a primer. And the shade that I'm using is light. So just dabbing the product and with my fingers, just putting it all over my face. Alright you guys, so now for foundation, I'm going to be grabbing my Tarte Amazonian Full Coverage Foundation, and it has a 15 SPF, so that will help for the sun as well. And of course, using my kabuki brush. And now using the Bare Minerals Original Foundation, it also has an SPF 15. You guys, and the sun over here is crazy. It is crazy hot. It is a very, very beautiful and sunny day. So now with my Hula bronzer, I'm just going to apply a little bit to give the cheeks a little bit of bronze now that I'm here at the beach. It doesn't have an SPF. I mean, I read it and it doesn't say it has an SPF, but I'm still gonna apply it anyway. Alright, so now to give the cheeks a little bit of color, I am going to be using the Tarte blush, and it is Fearless. I only brought one brush, so I have to work with it for all these 3 products that I use. I forgot to pack more brushes, but oh well, it's fine. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to be doing my brows. I couldn't find anything waterproof nearby because I do not have a Sephora nearby. So I went to the drugstore and I couldn't find any brow pencils that were waterproof. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the Brow Power by It Cosmetics. Alright you guys, so I lightly did my eyebrows. I hope they stick on and they do not fall out when I get into the water. But I'm going to continue because I want to give my face a very nice shiny glow. And I am going to be using highlighter, of course. And for a very nice beachy glow, I want to go ahead and use tourmaline just to give it a very, very nice glow and a little bronzy at the same time. I am going to be using the Maybelline, the Colossal Volume want to leave your eyes like this, it's fine. But if you're one to just want to apply some eyeshadow on your eyes, you could go ahead. I don't guarantee that it will stick on because I didn't bring concealer today, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put some anyways. I am going to grab my little Tarte Man Eater palette, and I am going to apply a little bit of Midnight onto my crease, and that's about it. And I am using a Morphe M441. With my little pinky finger and just tap a little bit onto my brow. And for the lips, I am just going to be using a regular lip liner and on top of it some chapstick. So I'm going to use the Milani lip liner, and this is the shade Nude. I'm just gonna work with this, just apply it on my lips as I can, just roll it all over my lips. Alright, I think that worked out pretty well. So now I'm going to use the Carmex chapstick just to go over on top of that a little bit. To this natural beach makeup tutorial. Now I'm going to grab my GoPro, head to the water, and when I get out, I will be showing you guys how the makeup reacts, if it lasts, if it's waterproof, so you guys can know what products will be best for you. Okay, you guys, so now I'm heading to the water, and it is freaking cold. Oh my god, it's been such a while. A long time since I hit the water, so let's dive in. Beautiful, look how nice and clean it is. Oh my god. Alright you guys, time to dive in the water. Let's wait for that wave to come, and here we go. Oh my god. I hope this makeup lasts, you guys. Just gonna have a little bit of fun here in the water. It's nice and clean, very cold. I wonder if my mascara is still on with that big wave that just hit my face. Alright you guys, so I just got out of the water, and let's see, I don't know, I haven't seen myself in the mirror yet, but I am going to now, so let me grab the mirror. That was so much fun, the water was awesome. Well, there you have it you guys. I have my mascara on, my brows are, they are rocking. I think I like my brows better after I got out the water. The highlight is, oof girl, look at that. Lips still intact, and there is no product running down, so oh my god, that made me so happy. I think these are the best products for the beach, you guys. So there you have it, all you bridal ladies that think you're gonna get married at the beach and then you get so happy that you're gonna feel like jumping into the water. You get that mascara, girl, because it is going to last a long time. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, guys. Oh, and before I forget,